What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Now, it's late at night and I'm about to go back to the underground bunker to do a nighttime investigation. See if we get any more answers than we did last time. Hope you all enjoy. Remember, like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Roll my intro. Okay guys, we are in here and I'm just gonna give her a little once over just in case there's people here. Right, we seem to be okay. I think people have been here because I don't remember all that stuff on the floor. But at least they know you're now, guys. Let's get started. I'm a bit nervous. Jumped them when I started. Right, let's just check no one's outside. No, we're clear. Are there any spirits here that would like to communicate with me? Speak through this device in my hand. Come on, speak through this device. Can you tell me your name? I had a name come through last time, it was Dave. Was that you? Is your name Dave? Almost sounded like goodbye. I think I heard a voice outside. Don't know what that was, guys. Let's carry on. How many of you are there? How many of you are there here? Sounded like two. We're getting way more answers. Is there anything you would like to tell us? Anything at all? Dave, is that you? I just heard your name come through. Is your name Dave? That sounded like it is. We are getting way more feedback than we had last time. Sorry guys, itchy nose. You can tell us anything. We just want to know. What happened? Why are you here? Okay guys, I think I'm going to stop it there for a minute. We had a few names come through, but there's a foundation further up that I want to try and a spirit box session by there, because apparently that house was confirmed haunted and all that's left is the grounds. So without further ado, I'll see you there. Alright, we are back, and all that's left is the side walls, and then there's over there. I don't know, well, you guys can see I need to get a light for my camera. There's a wall there, and then it's all trees all around. So I'm hoping we catch some in. I'm hoping that well, apparently the story is that it was a house shoe, and apparently it's meant to be really haunted, like confirmed haunted. So let's put it to the test. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and yeah, I crapped myself out then. There's a cat over there in the bushes. That shit me up. Excuse my swearing. That made me jump off. Yeah, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll try and do at least 2 videos a week. I'm hoping, but at the moment, guys, it might be 1 a week. But I'm hoping you're enjoying the content, and please, if you are enjoying it, tell other people. Now let's get into it. Are there any spirits here that would like to communicate? I've heard these grounds hold some spirits. Is it true? That sounded like yes. Can you tell me your name? We would like to know your name. If you could please tell us. Did you live in the house that used to be here? Don't be afraid. I'm not here to cause any harm or any disrespect. I just would like to communicate and get you a story. If there are any spirits here, you cannot attach yourself to me or any of my devices. You are not allowed. Just here to communicate. Why are you haunting these grounds? What happened here for you to be stuck to this particular place? Don't be afraid. I want you to talk to us, only if you want to though. Ooh. I am listening. By the way, guys, that said listen. I'm sure of it. I am listening. Tell me what you want to tell me. I said dead. And lie. Did someone lie to you? Did someone wrong you? Don't be afraid. Use all your energy.
crap.
Okay guys, sorry there was no outro. I was attacked by moths and yeah, I was hearing a lot of freaky noises. But yeah, I'm back home now. So if you want me to go back here, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next